Welcome back. Agitated fisherwomen carried out a rally protesting against Madgaon municipality's decision to shift them from the old fish market. They have demanded that the chairperson of Madgaon municipality should be removed and the fishing community should get justice. CM Parrikar assured that the matter will be resolved in a couple of days by taking concerned MLAs into confidence.
The agitated fisherwomen carried out protest rally at Margao on Monday. They gave out slogans against the Margao municipality. They are demanding justice.
Minister देखून कितो इले कोणे आम त्रास दिलो ना आम गोंयची मुंची म्हण निजाची वो चेअरमॅन येल तो आम त्रास कोता आम नोणाय तो होंच तो आम जायते त्रास आय आमगे याकू तो रायक ना पुढे किती करतले अशे त्या जाग्यार बसो आमी त्या जाग्यार बसो सोता आमका आनी काय उपाय ना आमको काय ना आमको भीक मागताय या आमची पोट भरपाय बुरग्याव जातूच करपाक जावे या लोकां किती आमको धान्य आय एक धान्य बाबा चौकली आता पुलिसला तिथला धान्य आम धान्य आम चौकली पाहिलो आम्ही दररोज ना मामा या लोकांची आम त्यांना पासून 10 रुपये दी 5 रुपये दी
Issue was also raised by the Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai in the assembly. Chief Minister has assured to intervene and resolve the matter.
Goan fish vendors are being given a shock treatment by the municipality, and that too in these monsoons. These are people who do not have much money. Many of them are widows. They eke out a living by selling fish in the morning and having perhaps the dinner at night. So I request the government to have a sympathetic look at these people and rehabilitate them first before taking action on them and before displacing them. Instruction may be given to the Margao municipality in this regard.
किंवा तरी वर्केबल सोल्युशन काढपाक सरकाराची हरकत ना हांव फुडल्या 1-2 दिसा भितर हो विषय टॅकल करता.
A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Confusion has begun about a Congress legislator of cross-voting for the recently concluded presidential election. Vijay Sardesai has claimed that he voted for Pranab Da. Interestingly, total tally for Mukherjee in Goa is 9. If we consider Congress MLAs plus Vijay, the tally had to be 10. The one deficient vote of a Goan Congress legislator to UPA presidential candidate Pranab Mukherjee has sent a chain reaction amongst the congressmen.
Pointing out to the Congress, Vijay also says that the opposition is bending and crawling in front of the ruling. There are discussions going on amongst all the legislators about the possible odd man out in the opposition. But neither Vijay nor the opposition leader right now suspect any of the congressmen. For now, the mystery is far from being solved.
Presidential election हांवें पयलींच डिक्लेअर केल्लें की हांव प्रणब मुखर्जीक सपोर्ट करतलो म्हणून. This was not at the instance of the Goa Congress Party. म्हाका दिसलें की तो एक फिट मनीस. आतां मतां जेन्ना मेजलीं तेन्ना अशें दिसता की 9च मतां पडलें जेन्ना 10 पडूंक जाय आशिल्लीं. हाजे अर्थान एक काँग्रेसीच्या आमदारान क्रॉस वोट केल्लें आसा वेरी क्लियर. म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेसीक एक दुयेंस लागलां तातूंत रिजल्ट मेळ्ळो तांकां. रिजल्ट मेळटकर कुठ्ठाळे इलेक्शनाक खंयचोच कॅन्डिडेट घालप ना, ताका डमी कॅन्डिडेट घालप ना इज पार्ट ऑफ दीस दुयेंस. आनी ह्या दुयेंसाचें नेक्स्ट एक्सटेंशन म्हणटा तें आतां क्रॉस वोट जाता. म्हजें एलिगेशन अशें आहा की गरज नासतना काँग्रेसीचे आमदार सारके डिमी मारतात हे सरकारा कडेन. सो हाजे वयल्यान म्हाका दिसता की काँग्रेस पार्टीन जर ओपोजिशन म्हणून कितें तरी फंक्शन करपाक जाय जाल्यार हें सिरियसली घेवचें पडटलें. कित्याक तांचे भितर एक मनशान क्लियरली मनीस फुटिल्लो आसा आनी ताणें मत प्रणब मुखर्जीक मारूंक ना आनी संगमाक वोट मारिल्लो आहा.
जे आतां काँग्रेसीचे तुवें ओपोजिशनच्या हितून अशें एका व्ह्यूआन पयलें जाल्यार दे आर नॉट एक्चुअली ओपोजिशन, दे आर सजेस्टिंग थिंग्स टू गव्हर्मेंट रादर देन क्रिटिसायझिंग द गव्हर्मेंट. वॉट कॅन बी द पॉसिबल, what do you feel, is there any foul play or
no? See, there is a general perception that there are lot of skeletons in the cupboards of the Congress people, because many sins of omission and commission are attributed to the Congress regime. This could be one of the reasons. Other thing is that they are not habituated as an opposition. They themselves have not mentally started believing that they are the opposition.
Our reporter from Parvari, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Onkar Falari.
Environment and Forest Minister Alina Saldana has blamed Water Resources Department for delay in Sharwane Dam project in Satari. The WRD has not submitted the proposal for land diversion to the Environment and Forest Ministry despite several reminders in the past couple of years. She was replying to a question raised by opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane regarding the delay in forest land diversion for Sharwane Dam project. CM Parrikar, while intervening on the issue, informed that the WRD has been recently ordered to put up a proposal.
This 9.23 hectares, this is water storage. Water is required for irrigation, water is required for human beings, water is required for animals. Will the minister consider approaching the higher authorities? This is only 9.23 hectares. You can refer the matter. Earth warming is taking place. We must also store water because water is required for trees also. So will the minister consider expediting this permission, whatever is required, for releasing it for irrigation purpose?
As of date, no request from Water Resource has been received. Speaker, sir, the construction of the minor irrigation tank at Charaune was taken up by the Water Resources Department, Government of Goa. The work was stopped when the excavation was being carried out in lands notified under Section 4 of Indian Forest Act. Speaker, sir, the Forest Department is not at all at fault for the delay in completion of this minor irrigation tank project at Charaune, and the Forest Department has repeatedly reminded the Water Resources Department to fulfill the necessary formalities which they have failed to do till date.
Probably I don't know why the thing is not moving. Even I phoned up Bangalore, where the
Bangalore is not. Request to comply now. There has to be an application. You are aware.
Everything is perhaps done. You find out from your department.
Once the proposal comes, I will speed up the proposal. That is the assurance I gave you.
Yes. In fact, I have personally spoken to the forest people.
I would just like to tell the honourable member that there is a letter from the Deputy Conservator of Forests addressed to the Executive Engineer of the Water Resources Department, dated 2nd January 2012, asking them to resubmit the proposal to this office, duly complied in all respects, for examination and further necessary action by this office in order to clear the land for the Charaune irrigation tank. So we are waiting for the proposal.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's speak our language and be proud of it. Forest and Environment Minister Alina Saldana expressed this need at a DVD release function of Dances of Goa. This DVD is a joint project of Lotus Film and Production, Fomento and Cidade Goa.
The DVD on Dances of Goa was released at the hands of the Forest and Environment Minister Alina Saldana, Chairman of Kala Academy Vishnu Surya Vag, Director of Art and Culture Prasad Loliekar, Mayor of CCP Vaidehi Naik, Nalini D'Souza, Rohit Falgaonkar were present.
Let us speak our language. I know the issue of MOI is on the minds of everybody. I accept that English is important. It is the universal language. It is important as far as education is concerned, but that should not lessen the importance of our mother tongue, the importance of Konkani. Let us be proud to speak Konkani. Let us be proud to be Goans. Let us keep our culture alive.
Vishnu Surya Vag stressed the need for inclusion of cultural activities in primary education curriculum.
गोयचे लोकनाच हे प्राथमिक शिक्षणाच्या अभ्यासक्रमात समावेश जावपाक जाय. They should be made a part of curriculum. भुरग्यांक शिकपाक लावपाक जाय. आमचे पूर्वज आशिल्ले पूर्वजांकडे न्हीद जालां आशिल्ली तुमी ती शिकाप. हे भुरगेपणान तांकां आमी सांगूंक जाय. नाचात. दिंडी घालात नाचात. रोमटावेळ नाचात. वाजयात घुमट, वाजयात तासो, वाजयात ढोल हे आमी प्रायमरी एज्युकेशनान हे करिक्युलम सगळे समावेश करपाची गरज आसा. हे जर केले तर गोंयचे दायज उरतले, गोंयची संस्कृती उरतली.
Director of Fomento Resources, Francisco Lume Pereira, revealed future plans.
Are very happy to be associated with Nalini and Rohit in doing this, and I hope that they can come out with even more ideas, and we'll be very happy to associate with them further. Incidentally, we are even embarking on a new project right now. Many of you might have heard of it. It's called Magic Bus. The theme of this project is from childhood to livelihood.
A senior reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.